you guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So today we're doing a get it all done video. I've got some cleaning motivation for you. I'm also doing some organizing, including organizing under my kitchen sink. I cleaned my oven on this day and I showed you a little dinner idea. So if you like those kinds of things, keep watching because we're going to go through all of that in today's video. I was just going through here and picking out all of the dead stuff out of this plant. If you're a plant mom, you know this is how it is a lot of the time. Alright, so getting going on the cleaning motivation in my kitchen. I'm just tidying up, emptying the dishwasher, doing some vacuuming, and then we're going to get on to cleaning the oven.
True talent in avoiding conversation, yeah, it's almost rather cruel. Oh, I know, he got me good in his pocket, I know that I missed a treat, well the taste is bitter.
If you're new here, hello and welcome. My name is Jillian. I live in Canada with my husband Matt and our cat Lola, and I like to make videos on this channel all around homemaking. So I post cleaning motivation videos, I post decorating videos, and I also like to post what's for dinner videos. So if you like those kinds of things, please hit that subscribe button. I would love to have you join this little family that I'm creating here.
Not gonna stop, dance till the morning light. I just wanna be around you. I just wanna be around you.
I'm just spraying it all down with my Thieves cleaner, and then I'm going to use my Thieves soft scrub and a Scrub Daddy and just scrub it all out.
Share my lipstick, taste my breath, and love me like you love a pack of smokes in the morning. Share my lipstick, taste my breath, and love me like you.
Check out how many suds this natural cleaner is making. It's all natural, completely non-toxic, and it gets it so clean. Now I'm just cleaning off my oven liner. If you guys don't have one of these, I highly recommend it. If you can put one in your oven. My last oven didn't have a spot for it, and this one does, and I'm so grateful because it's so much easier to just clean off an oven liner.
I just wanna be around you. I just wanna be around you. I just wanna be around you. I just wanna be
Alright, now I'm just rinsing it out with some water and a damp cloth, and then I'm going to show you guys a grocery haul.
Last night you tried to make me angry, but this time I get you mad. Oh, don't need apologies enough for this. I'm burning for you. Can't get enough.
Okay, just a quick little grocery haul for you. So I didn't get a ton of stuff this week because we've actually been ordering chef's plate boxes recently. I've just been working a ton and it's kind of hard to keep up with like everything that's going on with Matt working full-time, me working more than full-time right now. So we've been ordering chef's plate boxes for dinner, and it's just kind of an alternative, and it's better than obviously ordering food every night, way more cost effective. So that's kind of what we've been doing. And then I just pick up a couple things for like lunches and meals when we don't have a chef's plate box. So the first thing that I got was a couple lemons. I got these everything bagels that looked really good. They're like a different bakery and they looked kind of tasty. And then I got some grass-fed whole milk for yogurt. Picked up some Cheez-Its for a snack. Some oat milk for like lattes and chai lattes. Bacon, a cat, some romaine lettuce, some broccoli, some bananas, and then I also got a rib roast, so that's what we're gonna have tomorrow night. So yeah, that's all of my groceries for this week. There are so many spaces in this house that are a disaster. When we moved in, I just got everything in cupboards, and then now I've just been slowly going around and organizing different areas. So this is one of them. I don't think the organizing that I did today is like the end all be all. I would love for every space in my house to be fully Pinterest organized, but for now, I just cleaned out, got out all of the products that I don't really use, got rid of those, and then put everything in baskets and made it look a lot nicer.
Lighter than the sunlight. You're lighter than the sunlight. Lighter than the sun. You're lighter than the sunlight. Can't get enough of the weekend. I wanna seize the night like I can't let go. Can't get enough of the weekend. Don't wanna ever get lost to the sun. Oh no, we can't get enough of the weekend. We wanna seize the night like we can't let go. Can't get enough of the weekend. Don't wanna ever get lost to the sun. Oh no. It was a Thursday night when I first saw you. Those green eyes caught me.
Alright, so that looks way better than it did before, and then now I'm just going to show you guys what we're making for dinner tonight. So I'm going to put the full instructions on how to make it in the description box below, but I basically just made some pork chops with a mushroom gravy, some steamed broccoli, and then a side of mashed baby potatoes. So I'll let you guys watch me cook this, and I will put how to make it in the description box.
24/7, you call my name, and I will come running, yeah, every day. 24/7, yeah, every day. I will come running, babe. Every day. Yeah, every day, babe. Used to be scared of letting someone get close without the filters, but you see the real me. Since I let you in under my skin, I'm more free than I have ever been. You broke my chains and released me, and days turned into nights on the couch in your apartment. No, I am not the same. Everything has changed. Every day, 24/7, you call my name, and I will come running, yeah, every day. 24/7, yeah, every day. I will come running, babe. Every day. Yeah, every day, babe. And days turned into nights on the couch. No, I am not the same. Everything has changed. Every day.
Alright, so here's the finished plated dinner, and that is all I have for you guys today. So thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please hit the like button and hit subscribe. I post new homemaking videos just like this one every single week.
7, yeah, every day.